the differences between maintaining an electric car versus maintaining a gas car are huge. So the fact that all those systems are just completely removed from an electric car means that in 10 years from now, when you don't see quite the same amount of range on your car, you also won't have spent a cent on most of the maintenance that's involved in driving a car.
Aren't your service departments going to start
losing
money though?
It's a great question. I think the industry is changing so quickly. Every company, everybody involved in cars has to sort of rethink how things work and how we're going to do things. So yeah, you're absolutely right. Our shop doesn't have as much work to do on electric cars. That's just a fact.
I haven't touched the brakes in a day and a half.
I know.
So the brakes, I guess, I don't know how long.
So with brakes, like you can easily get the life of the car out of a set of brake pads. The only caveat to that would be is if the car is not being used much and they start to get rust, because rotors can rust out. And then again, if they're not being used that much and they're getting kind of rusty, they actually don't necessarily wear out, but at a certain point, if you're not using your car that much, I have seen electric cars that we've had to replace the brake rotors on because they kind of get corroded, right? Because they don't get used that much. But that's a pretty small segment of everything. Just to put it in perspective, we've been selling bolts since 2017. And it's now the bolt, as of last year, 2019, that was the single largest selling car, or vehicle that we've had. Like, we sold more bolts than Silverado pickup trucks. So it's clearly become mainstream. And that's actually one of the main reasons why we're doing these information sessions. 2 or 3 years ago, when you bought an electric car, you were considered an early adopter. So you're probably somebody that's